Volume today?
I have a cough and fever.
My stomach hurt a lot.
I feel very tired and stressed.
Luz, you should drink more water.
Okay, doctor. I am going to rest today.
Naomi, you should eat too much junk food.
I understand I am going to have healthy food.
Devani, you should sleep early.
Yes, doctor. I am going to sleep more.
Would you like some medicine?
Yes, please. I would like some medicine.
Doctor, should I exercise too?
Yes, you should walk every day.
Are we going to feel better soon?
Yes, you are going to recover soon.
Thank you, doctor.
I would like to visit a waterfall this weekend.
I am going to visit the mountain with my family.
That is great idea for your health.
Goodbye.
See you soon, doctor.
See you later.